Okay, I'm making this video because I installed a steering box brace. This is the style. It's a just a universal cheap no-name brand brace, but I have to relocate the sway bar. So this is a sway bar out of a Grand Cherokee, a WJ, and it seems to fit pretty good. I mounted it just behind the brace, and I welded some nuts in there, and it seems to clear and function. The biggest thing is right here. Okay, with oversized tires, I have offset wheels. I don't think this would work with a stock offset. And then I do have disconnect. So as soon as I get off-road, I'm going to disconnect it, and I'm actually going to angle the bar upward quite a bit. So it's up in here. That way the bar is angled up out of the way and it doesn't interfere. Time will tell how this works, but this seemed like the best solution given the situation. I'm going to show you. I did initially have a drop bracket for my stock sway bar, and that did work. Sway bar hung down a little bit, so I'm going to show you a clip right here. Okay, with my current setup, I was somewhat limited with the steering brace with sway bar setup. So I do have this drop one. These are pretty beefy brackets, but you got 1, 2 plates, a bolt through it, and then it's hanging down here. So there's quite a bit of room for some deflection. There's quite a bit of stress that's on these bolts between the sway bar, and so, and then it also hangs down quite a bit. So this works. It's not bad, but it's definitely, I wanted to see if I could find a little bit better way to do this. So overall, this seems like a possible solution to the issue with one of these steering braces. It interferes with the sway bar, and so I'm running a WJ Grand Cherokee sway bar, and that's how it worked with all the disconnects and everything. So thanks for watching. I hope this gives you something to think about.